Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Bharat Education Society's Kartika High School and Junior College Kurla West. For lesson number 9, more about formulas. Subject Computer, Standard 6th. And students, myself Mr. Vijay Nikam, your computer teacher. So students, let's begin with the if function. If function is again based on condition. The formula is, this is the format of if function. The formula is equal to if open bracket condition. The first argument is condition, then second argument is true action, and third argument is false action. The if statement checks the condition first and then decides whether to perform a true action or false action. If the condition is true, then it performs the true action. Otherwise, it will perform the false action. Note, we can take the example of pass and fail. If the average marks scored by student is less than 35, then fail should be processed, else pass should be processed. Click on the result cell, for example K2, and type the formula and then press the enter key. The result will appear in cell K2. Then apply this formula for the remaining cells also. Students, let's see this below example in live demonstration. Students, let's execute the if function in this example. The mark sheet already I have made in this sheet. Total, average, minimum and maximum we have learned in the previous lesson. Here we are using if function for calculating result. So here we are using the if function on a condition of average. If average is less than 35, then student is fail, or else condition is false, student is pass. So let's see here in this cell K2, here I enter if function. Students, let us focus, concentrate here how I am entering if function. Press is equal to, because every function in Excel starts up with is equal to sign. Is equal to if open bracket average cell. The average cell is H2. If H2 is less than 35, comma, this is the first argument, comma, open double quotes. If value is true, if condition is true, print fail, close double quotes, comma, false condition. If condition is false, print pass, close double quotes, then close the bracket. This is what the formula is. After typing up the formula, press enter key. Here H2 is greater than 35, means result is pass. Our condition is H2 is less than 35, but condition is false here. H2 is here greater than 35, means false condition is executed here, so student is pass here. For next students, drag this fill handle or just double click on this fill handle. Your next student's result will be calculated automatically as the formula will be copied for next cells. Just double click and see the result. Let's see next the AND function. The AND function returns true if all conditions are true. and return false if any of the conditions are false. Again I read, AND function returns true if all conditions are true, okay, and if any one of the condition is false, then it returns false. See, this is the format of if AND function. If open bracket and again open bracket, condition 1, condition 2, two conditions as two arguments, comma, if true statement, true statements will be executed when both conditions are true here, and false statement will be executed only if any one of the condition is false here. See, the example is given below. See, the same example we will see in the live demonstration. Okay students, let us execute AND function here. Here AND function I am using to calculate grade. See how we are calculating grade here. We are giving two conditions here. Let us start with entering the formula, actual formula. Is equal to if open bracket and again open bracket, place the first logical test. Our first logical test is h2 is greater than 35, h2 is greater than 65, and comma, another condition is I2 equal to pass. If both conditions are true, close the bracket. If both conditions are true here, comma, then we are printing grade A. Else if any one of the condition is false, then we are printing C grade. Open double quote, shift C, close the double quote and close the outer if bracket, then press enter. See, grade A has come here because in this formula both the conditions are satisfied here. Here h2 is greater than 65 and I2 equal to pass, means both the conditions are satisfied here, means the grade A has come here. Just double click over the fill handle and see the next results. See, the next results are coming C grade because here the h2 is not greater than 65, I2 is pass, means one condition is false in both the cases. The first condition is false in both the cases, so that the grade has come C. Hope you have understood this. Okay student, let's see now the OR function. The OR function is exactly opposite of AND function. Let's see the OR function. OR function returns true if any one of the conditions are true and return false if all conditions are false. Again I read, the OR function returns true if any one of the condition from this is true, then it returns true, or else it returns false. For example, but before that, see, this is the format of OR function. Is equal to if open bracket or again open bracket, condition 1 comma condition 2, close this, comma, true statement if any one of condition is true, and false statement if both condition are false. See, this is the example. The same example we will execute and see in live demonstration. Students, let's calculate the remark here using OR function. Here I am going to enter the formula. Is equal to if open bracket or, again open bracket for all, put two conditions here. We are putting J2 if J2 equal to B, and second condition J2 equal to C, close bracket. If any one of the conditions is true, then we are returning a true condition, a true value, which is needs improvement, close double quotes, comma. If both conditions are false, then we are returning the value excellent. Close the double quote, close the bracket, if bracket, and press enter. See, the remark has come, which is excellent. J2 equal to B and J2 equal to C. Here J2 is neither B nor C, means both conditions are false here, then the false statement is been printed here. The excellent. Let us see the for next two students. Just double click on the fill handle and see. The next remark has come, needs improvement, because here in the condition, see, J2 equal to, J2 not J2, here J3, yes, J3 equal to C. The one condition is satisfied here, means amongst the two condition, one condition is true. That means this true statement is been executed and printed here. Hope so, students, you must have understood this. That's all for this session, students. Thank you. We will meet in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye. See you. Have a safe and healthy life ahead. See you.